You're looking live at a few fair weather clouds in our blue sky at the midday hour as you by the weather cam atop Carter Mountain, looking across Charlottesville and central Virginia, and expected to be on the dry side with blustery winds. But in about 24 hours from now, an Arctic front will be heading our way. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick on the alert for wintry weather. A first alert weather day for later Sunday night into Monday morning, especially for snow and ice accumulation. The most significant weather system we've had so far this winter season when it comes to the potential for ice and snow on a more widespread scale. Until then, here's your Thursday first forecast. Temperatures in the 40s all day long, dropping into the 30s and 20s overnight. A few fair weather clouds with a brisk wind, making it feel colder. Wind chills right now are near or below freezing, so that's what it feels like outside. Upper 20s and the low to mid 30s. 29 first alert Doppler is dry. A few passing clouds overhead. Snow clouds over the Great Lakes into the northeast. That's where they will stay. Here's the next weather disturbance right now coming across Iowa. It's a Clipper type system, doesn't have a lot of moisture with it, and it moves rather quickly, but this will reinforce some colder air in time for the weekend, laying the foundation down for our next potential winter storm. Here it is now moving into the Pacific Northwest, into areas of the Gulf of Alaska, so it's just now moving onshore. So that's important when it comes to the exact track and the intensity, but our forecast guidance has had a good agreement over the past couple days on what's going to happen later on this weekend. Until then, we have to get through tomorrow's system. Today, though, Futurecast shows a few clouds. There they go. It's dry. Snow showers for the Allegheny Highlands. It's a dry start to Friday morning. There's 7 a.m. through midday. Clouds begin to increase. And anytime afternoon through sunset on Friday, there's a slight chance for a passing rain and or sleet snow shower. And they're going to be few and far between. It won't last very long. After sunset, that's long gone. And it will be cold and dry Saturday, highs barely above freezing. Dry Saturday night, Sunday morning. Now, this is the European forecast model. It shows snow to sleet and freezing rain later Sunday night into Monday through midday. And the American GFS model has also a good agreement on that. It shows snow over to sleet and freezing rain later Sunday night into Monday, but maybe a bit of a more northern track, keeping it mostly sleet and ice. So it's too early to put specific numbers on a snow or ice map, but what we can say with confidence is that areas north of I-64, north of Route 33, will have the best chance of seeing the most snow accumulation, and mainly across northern Virginia. We may have less snow and more sleet and ice. So that's the last thing we want to have is a freezing rain that could put down a glaze of ice. So the bottom line, later Sunday night into Monday, this will impact the travel and also alter the school schedule. So your forecast calls for highs to be in the 40s today, near 30 tonight, spotty shower of rain or snow later Friday in the 40s, dry, sunshiny conditions on Saturday, cold, and then later Sunday night and Monday, first alert weather day, potential of significant will dry out on Tuesday and Wednesday with cold conditions.
All right, thank you, Josh.